Not a lot. We do have some snow out there during the evening hours. It could be a few slippery spots that get going as we get deeper into the evening commute. Snow's filling in a little bit now from the city on towards the north and west in particular. Down to 24 degrees, upper 20s out across the island. Not snowing there yet, consequentially, but notice low to mid 20s through New Jersey in the areas where it is snowing. 23 down in Belmar. You've had some snow as well. It's generally a light snowfall, but still some strong gusty winds. So it's kind of rough to be out there, I'll be honest, through the evening hours between the snow and the cold and now the wind chills that are slipping into the low teens. Feels like 12 in the city, 11 at Belmar, 16 Islip, and 10 up in Newburgh. If you have to go out, make sure to bundle up, dress in layers, and definitely something on your head, because not only with the snow, you've got the cold temperatures out there. And you can see on the latest radar picture, snow's again across mainly northeast New Jersey, Rockland, Westchester County, the northern end of the city, portions of Long Island, and now we're starting to see a little bit of it filling in into portions of New Jersey as well. Again, this is an upper level disturbance. This isn't a storm system at the surface, but there's enough energy that's giving enough lift to the air, and we're squeezing out whatever moisture there is. Not going to do it too much longer, to be perfectly honest. Probably by 8, 9 o'clock, most of this starts to shift to the east. Temperatures drop back down through the low 20s to the upper teens by morning, and the wind starts kicking again as that system offshore continues to intensify. So wind chills tomorrow are going to be kind of rough. So evening snow showers or flurries, depending upon exactly where you are as to how intense you do see the snowfall. But I think worst case scenario would be a coating in some areas. Brisk winds are back tomorrow. No snow to worry about, but more cold to worry about. Wind chills in the single digits in the morning, maybe teens for the afternoon to near 20. Saturday, mostly sunny and a little calmer, too. Temperatures in the upper 30s. Actually, we're going to make it a clean sweep for the weekend. Both days dry, no storms to worry about. In fact, by Sunday, a more westerly breeze, a little bit milder. The good news is the jet stream, which has been to the south, which takes all that cold air in north central Canada and displaces it here. Watch what happens. It lifts to the north. That pushes the cold air to the north and allows some relatively milder temperatures head our way by next week. So 22 tonight, scattered snow showers, and then look for only 33 tomorrow. Cold, windy day. But notice the numbers. 44 Sunday, upper 40s to near 50 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with rain showers Tuesday and again Thursday.